A few service reception errors and an attack error on the part of UE. And like a blink of an eye, the lead shifted and the momentum shifted back to the defending champions as they retake the lead 8-7, set number 3.
Victor Naragalang making the difference, making UE's life miserable.
You said that right, Mosey.
But that goes out. So nakahinga ng todo ang Lady Warriors.
All right, let's check in with Patch Gansana.
There's always a difference between a practice situation and a game situation. During practice, okay daw sila. But in this game situation, Coach Boy called them as a rattled team. It started with their service error, and after that, they had a hard time recovering from it already. We did not lose against Lasal in that set. We lost against ourselves. Dito nagtanong si Coach kung hanggang dito na lang ba talaga ang focus nila. Ika nga ni Coach Boy, pare-pareho lang naman tayo ng kanin na kinakain. Emphasizing on the fact that this game is up to their execution. Lahat naman sila nagsimula sa patas. He wants a change of attitude in this set, bring back our smart plays, inject our quickness, and win this playing. Well, looks like UE will be extending this game to keep their hopes up. Eric and Mosey?
Thank you, Patch. And indeed, ang laking part ng set number 2 defeat ng UE is themselves.
Yes.
They weren't able to receive yung service ni Aragala, which caused them to lose confidence.
Kaya nga sabi mo, na-frustrate sila talaga after yung sunod-sunod na points na nakuha ni Aragalang on the service line. After that, meron na silang miscues, meron ng misreceives. So, dapat they really have to overcome those, and it's more mental than anything. Pero ang maganda naman, entering this third set, nakita mo it was a very aggressive UE again. So, na-pick up kagad nila, nakabawi kagad the first set. But it's something really with the rally point system sa volleyball, kailangan mabilis eh. You have to come back right away. Hindi pwedeng next set na lang. Hindi pwedeng ganun.
Mahabol na sana, Mosey, pero another service error, which has been one of their weaknesses in this match. They were within 1, but now they're down by 2. 11 will be serving 9.
Single block by Maraño, but still playable. Oh, that's going to be a net violation on the side of De La Salle. It's actually the leg of Maraño that touched the net.
Shisa Lebrida for you.
So Shisa Lebrida looking to tie it up at 11 all. Maraño looking for the dub and she found the opening.
And that sweet touch of Abigail Maraño, just enough power to send that over the blockers and to that perfect spot. Oh, Kiki Rosale mistimed that one.
Maraño, perfect timing on the other end from Lasal.
And no one there to block that Maraño running hit.
Lasal slowly pulling away here, Mosey. It's still a manageable 3-point deficit if you're UE, but you've got to start things now.
Sabi nga ni Coach Boy, kailangan mga 2-point lead lang ang Lasal para makahabol sila, hindi pwedeng mas malaki.
And that's a good play. Sending in Bulan right there for the powerful hit and the point for UE. Now they're within 2. 11 serving 13. Galang.
Going down the line, Lebrida was there, but the ball was too low for the second hit.
And, we've talked about this young rookie, a girl who has everything, and at such a young stage in her career, she really has a long way to go, and what seems to be a very fruitful career in the UAAP.
That's so true, and the confidence that is given to her by Coach Ramil De Jesus, hindi basta-basta yan si Coach Ramil De Jesus to send in a rookie and to send 2 rookies actually to start for him. That's Reyes in the galang.
For the Lady
So,
Warriors.
ibig sabihin,
Number 9,
nakita ni Coach
Error
Ramil na
Gonzalez.
itong dalawang to will play like a veteran. As you see on your screens, Coach Ramil De Jesus. Easy, relaxed in today's game. But, of course, UE just keeping up and playing better in the second round.
Bulan, that didn't cross the
Bounces
net.
out.
So,
Results below.
balik sa
Net
tatlo.
block.
Ang kalamangan ng 15-12, set number 3. And UE still down
Abby Maran.
2 sets to nothing against LaSalle.
Block goes out. UE scores.
Dow is using the blockers of De La Salle as she takes that point. Well, Dow
UE
is-
seems to be playing with just a little bit less energy than they
Yes.
were in set number 2. Saka sa beginning itong set na to.
Parang ang nakikita ko sa kanila, mabilis silang ma-frustrate. Halimbawa, nagkaroon sila ng sunod-sunod na errors. It's very difficult for them to recover right away. Parang nagkakaroon ng ano.
And that's what differentiates you from the top girls.
Yeah.
No, yung the ability to just
Forgive and forget themselves and
Kalimutan
then,
mo na yung nangyari and
oh.
move forward.
And ang attitude eh, yung bumawi kagad on the next point.
Combination. Nice defense from behind by UE. Mabaw, the hook, finds the opening. 16-14, set number 3 as we take you to the second technical timeout of this set.